They did not use. Who has used the red sandstone? Akbar. Understood? During that period, they used the grey stone which was cheaper. Why? They are using cheaper kings. Paisa already. So they used which stone? Grey stone which was cheaper. The building of Tughlaq period lacked decoration. They lacked decoration. Only lotus was used in the building of Firoz. So why they are using what is in a decoration? Why they are decreasing their decoration? Only the reason behind they have a lack of what? Finance. Lack of finance. And then Firoz Shah Tughlaq constructed what I said that ordinary buildings, and the many mosques were built during this period, like the what is in a Kalan mosque and the Khirki mosque. Which are I said that? Yes. For your this preparation, what you need? Tell me. For your preparation of this examination, for success in this examination, you need more energy. And which one has more energy? Black object or white object? Black object will have more. Black object can absorb more energy. And black को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? What it is? काला. तो आपकी खिड़की कैसी होनी चाहिए? Most of the energy can come. And Firoz का मतलब होता है success. Firoz means, so Firoz Shah Tughlaq has made which are the two mosques? Yes, tell me. Which are the two mosques? Famous Kalan mosque and then I said Khirki mosque. Understood? Kalan mosque and Khirki mosque. So we have seen the first Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, and Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq has made, yes, tell me fast. First it is city of Tughlaqabad and then Ghiyasuddin tomb. Understood? And then I said that there is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And Muhammad bin Tughlaq, I said that Adilabad, Fort Adilabad and city of Jahanpana. And then we have seen, yes, tell me fast. After that, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And Firoz Shah Tughlaq, which two mosques? Firoz means Kalan mosque and Khirki mosque. Khirki means window. Khirki means window. And then during this period, the Prime Minister of Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Khane Jahan Shah Telangani, constructed a tomb at Telangani, occupying immensely important position in the what? Evolution of the tomb architecture in the, I say. So nearby there is a Telangani, and Telangani means Khane Jahan Shah Telangani. Khane Jahan Shah Telangani tomb. Understood? And it has been made by whom? The PM of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Understood? So हम लोगों ने तुगलक डायनेस्टी में हमने क्या देखा? Yes, tell me fast. Yes, this is I said Jamaat Khana Mosque. Who has made this Jamaat Khana Mosque? Alauddin Khilji. And then Alai Darwaza, Alauddin Khilji. And then fort of Adilabad, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And city of Jahanpana, clear. And then I said that this is in a fort Adilabad दिखा रहे हैं. So we have seen which are Slav, Khilji, Tughlaq. Slav, Khilji, Tughlaq. And ध्यान से, I said that Qutbuddin, what he has made? Tell me fast. Qutbul Islam mosque, and then Qutub Minar, and thereafter I said Adhai Din ka Jhopra. Understood? And thereafter this is in a Qutbuddin Aibak, and Qutbuddin Aibak first we are seeing Slav. And Qutbuddin Aibak, Qutbul Islam, Qutbul Islam, and then I said, tell me, Qutub Minar. Thereafter I said, yes, tell me, Adhai Din ka Jhopra. This Qutbuddin, so Qutub Minar has been completed by whom? Tell me first. Iltutmish. And thereafter it has been destroyed. And who has completed it? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And which floor has been destroyed? And now how many it has? So 5 it has. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Thereafter I said that Iltutmish, and Iltutmish has made, yes, completed Qutub Minar, and thereafter for his son Sultan Garib. No. Understood? Thereafter Balband, Ghiyasuddin Balban. And Balban has made, yes, tell me, his own Balban tomb, and then Red Palace. Thereafter, yes, tell me, क्या बनाया इन्होंने? अब कौन आ गया? अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, खिलजी डायनेस्टी, एंड अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. यस, वेरी गुड. जमाते खाना नहीं किया, जमा खाना मॉस्क. And thereafter I said that Alai Darwaza, it is going towards, I said that Qutul Islam, and there is in Qutub Minar, Alai Darwaja, and thereafter Siri, city of Siri. And after that we have come for Tughlaq. And Tughlaq has done what? What the Tughlaq has done? I said that Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. There is a Tughlaqabad, city of Tughlaqabad, and thereafter Muhammad. मुंह क्यों बंद किया गया था? Adilabad fort. हाँ, Ghiyasuddin tomb. Ghiyasuddin tomb. And Adilabad fort and city of Jahanpana. And thereafter I said, yes, tell me, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. After that, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And what he has made? Money is very less. And which stone they started using? Grey stone. Instead of red sandstone, they started using. And Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And Firoz means success. Success कैसे मिलेगा? Kalan mosque. And I said that Firki mosque. Understood? And then his Telangani word come, it is in a Firoz Shah Tughlaq, I said that, PM. And then he has made, I said that, it is related to this tomb, Jahan. I said that Khane Jahan Shah Telangani. Then we are going to see Lodi dynasty, which when I said the Sayyid has not done anything. Sayyid has not done anything. Understood? And then we can be able to see the sultans of Lodi dynasty constructed a number of structures. Among them the significant are tombs of Sikandar Lodi. Who is the Sikandar? Bahlul, Sikandar and Ibrahim. Basi, roti kaisi hai? Bahlul, Sikandar Lodi, Bahlul Lodi, Sikandar Lodi and Ibrahim Lodi. And tombs of Sikandar Lodi. And then we have seen which tomb? यहाँ पे देखेंगे दरिया खान, which I said that, सराय काले खान, बड़े खान, छोटे खान, and बूढ़े खान, भूरे and बूढ़े खान. So which are the Khan we have seen? ये सराय काले खान नहीं नाम सुना आपने निजामुद्दीन के पास. I said that which are the tomb the Lodi has made? Yes, बहुत सारा लोड करके माल लेके गया तो दरिया खान, काले खान, yes, tell me, बड़े खान, छोटे खान, and then बूढ़े खान. बड़े, छोटे और बुढ़ा, तो भूरे खान. वहां पर भूरे है लेकिन आपको याद रखना है बूढ़े. चलो. And always these tombs which has been made by the what is in a Lodi dynasty, they are what is in a together. Two are always, I said that, together. Understood? Always two are together. So we have been able to see. And there is in a Lodi garden, always the tombs are associated with the garden. Tombs are associated with the garden. So the tombs of Sikandar Lodi, and then tombs of Bade Khan, Chote Khan, and then कौन सा हमने देखा? बड़ा गुम्बज, Lodi garden and मौत की masjid by the Prime Minister of Sikandar Lodi. So which are we have seen? Tombs of Sikandar Lodi. उसके बाद बड़े खान, उसके बाद आप लोग वो वाला खान बोल दें, दरिया खान, yes, काले खान, बड़े खान, छोटे खान, बुरे खान, बुरे. And thereafter we have been able to see, yes, बड़ा गुम्बज, yes, tell me, Lodi garden, and then Maut Ka Masjid. Who has made this Maut Ka Masjid? The Prime Minister of Sikandar. And then so many other things are there. The tombs were octagonal shaped. What is the shape of this tomb? Octagonal. Yes, it is not completely like circular, it is an octagonal. And then I said that features adopted quite later by the Mughals also, this one. And buildings were raised on platforms with gardens surrounding them. And then nearby them there will be, what is it? Garden. And double domes were used with the thick walls. Double domes. Generally वो क्या बनाते थे साथ में? The two domes that they are making together with the thick walls and decorated tiles. So this is, I said that Sikandar Lodi, and then I said that there is an Alai Darwaja के पास, Qutub Minar के पास, these are two Bade Khan and Chote Khan. Lodi Garden, this is, I said that Maut Ki Masjid. Who has made this Maut Ki Masjid? Prime Minister of Sikandar Lodi. And then we have to come for some provincial, like after giving the gap. And next 10-20 minutes में फिर we'll start today's culture and all. So many things we have to do today. So giving in a gap of half an hour and then we will start with